your sheet, I'm talking about this sheet here, and if you can't remember, oh, I can always look down here because it looks like it. It looks like it. So use the sheet to identify the shape if you don't know it. Okay? So there it is. What equation will I use? It's important to know which equation. 1/3 pi r squared. Is it squared or cubed?
I forgot if you're supposed to put
1/3. Oh, sorry. 1/3 base times height. Now look, the base, remember, is a separate entity. What will the base be in this case? Bree.
The base is 12.
Well, now wait. I don't want the answer. What will the base be? What's a picture of it?
Square.
It's the square, isn't it? Okay. What was it on that first one? It was a triangle. Now it's a square. That's tricky. Let me show you why it's tricky. Because it is going to be tricky on the test too. That's why some of you are missing it. You can't figure it out. Check it out. Some of you thought this has a square base too, didn't you? No, this doesn't have a rectangular base. It has a triangular base. And this one has a square base. Well, okay, I'll give you a picture of it. It's this one. Now the sides are square. The sides are square, but the base of the thing is a triangle. It has a triangle on top and the bottom. Right, so work this one out right here. Now look, the 13.4, is that the height?
Nope,
It's a slanted on the edge height. Some of you also use that instead of the one up and down. Now, don't get confused by that, because that's not terribly that hard. It's the one, this is the height, isn't it? Right here in the middle. Not on the edge. That's not the height. You might have to use what to figure this out? How would I do this to figure this out? Starts with a P, doesn't it?
Pythagorean theorem?
Yeah, would that work? I think it will. Is this, now look,
Well,
here's,
the base and
what's this right here? Is that the hypotenuse?
Yeah, no, that's
Hypotenuse?
That's the
Look,
adjacent.
check it out. I'm going to do this one, right? Oh, wait.
You don't need to,
I don't need to.
because you have the base and the height.
I have both. Okay? Work it out on your desk. See what you get. Is this what you got? Yeah, I got one answer. You get the same one? Same way? Yes. Not there? That means I got just a second. Let me go through. Are we working? I think you're close. What do you get? 643? Okay. Count that. Try it.
Jace, why are you holding a shoe?
Jax.
That's
You stole my
You stole
boat.
it without
Slant
even, I
height.
stole it without even knowing.
My gun boats.
Okay.
And he proceeded to smell my shoes.
No, I did not intentionally do that. I bent over and breathed.
He literally, he went like this.
I bent over and
Okay,
breathed.
here we go.
I didn't know.
He got it in a jar. It's in
How
his
many
back.
got this? 576.
I got that.
Did you guys get that?
You rounded up.
Okay.
Oh shit, wait, just
Ooh, it's still there.
just good. Okay, it's not a competition anymore.
These are all, sorry, quarter or whatever. That's true.
Did yours square?
Okay.
So, okay, let me draw a
Seriously?
diagram. So,
What do you
the
get?
kiwi is like right, has this thing right
What do you get?
Okay, now, talk us through it. Anybody? What are we getting here?
right?
You find the base first. 12 times 12, which is
144.
Yeah.
How do I get the height?
Pythagorean theorem. Because
Okay.
you can make a triangle.
Now I can make a triangle with the straight right here, right?
Yeah. The base is 6, and then the hypotenuse is 13.4.
Base is 6, because that's half. Hypotenuse is
So what?
whatever it is. And look, I'm gonna drop one behind this edge, straight down. Did that work for you guys?
Is that what you got?
Okay, let's go to the next.
This is, yeah, I was even off. I was off.
Now look, we've got a lot of these to do. I wanna give you a chance to do them. Okay, here's another one.
Wait, so what was the base? Yeah, dude.
Base was 12 times 12.
Isn't that nuts?
Height was, what'd you get for the height on that last
What do you
one?
get?
Organs go
12?
into the egg.
I think it is around 12, 11.9 or something.
It's 12. Or
There you go.
11.9.
So here we go, is another one.
Wait, wait, wait,
Here's another one. Can you do this one? You should try all of these as they come up. I'm going a little faster
This is actually.
because your brain has to look at it and kind of process it a little. And I just discovered recently that you do way better when you write on desks than on paper. I don't know why. In fact, I had a student just say, last period, I figured I want to do the test on my desk.
Did you let him?
And I'm probably gonna let him. The only problem is security issues, right? Because he's gonna write all these answers down and everybody's gonna see it.
Banish him to the back table.
But some people would rather write on the desk than do it on paper. I don't know what it is.
It's funner.
I don't know what it is.
Did you say
really.
funner?
Yeah, it's actually word like that.
Because I okay, bro. What even?
Let's try this one though.
It actually is.
Okay, you guys, hint. What's the area of the base on this one? First of all, is it a, what is it? It's an ice cream cone. It makes me think of Salt and Straw buying
I'm not a huge fan.
buying an ice cream cone. Now, and guess what though? The problem is, is that mine?
Hey,
Oh, they're telling me we're Salt and Straw. Oh, no, I don't need that right
what's the half?
The only thing is the volume in some of the ice cream stores, they don't push the ice cream down. So it's not really that.
I'm showing customer.
You are?
Yep.
Well, if it's soft ice cream, it goes in there easier, but if it's not, it doesn't really. But what you gotta do is try to figure out what shape this object is and then go to the right formula. I'm gonna say most of the issues you're having are you don't go to the right formula. That's the most of them. And it's really hard to correct, by the way, because I gotta go back through and see what you did every single time. You trying it? I want you to try some of these, okay? Try this one. You don't have to. You're excused.
I need a marker.
Okay. Try it. It is. Don't race it yet. Here you go. When you try it. Just try it. We're almost done here. A little bit more.
No, it looks red.
Actually, I don't know if it's 3,000 or if it's. Oh, sorry. You get 574.
I'm just thinking of moving about that. You just crazy about it.
For what?
Actually, my neck and my legend.
Yeah.
You do that, let's
How much?
do
That
that.
much? Okay.
Yeah,
I got some people that have around 3,000. Is that right? Did you guys get 3,000? Yep. I thought you did. This one? Yeah. 619, I think that's right. See if you can, do it in terms of pi.
I already erased all of it.
Okay, never mind.
Wait, don't go on to the next question.
I'm not gonna go on to the next question here. Let's find the answer out.
Oh.
I like that. I like this is good. You totally get it. You know, I think people would rather have those stamps than the grades, actually, when it all comes down to it.
Maybe a sticker.
What?
Well, I could do stickers, but that's hard, because I gotta go out and buy them. Vandenberg's coming back.
Really?
Vandenberg's coming back,
Next year or
the end of the year.
end of this year?
Well, you guys will be gone, because you'll move on.
Did she teach algebra 2?
I'll probably see
I don't
her
think
in
so.
summer school.
I think you got Miss Kissinger.
Kissing.
Baker,
Kissinger's next door.
how many economics teachers are there?
There's Glenn, maybe? She
Miss
economics.
Blinn, how'd you get that?
Well, what do you take junior year for that PIB?
How'd you get that? No,
You take economics, right, and history.
Yeah,
Is it US history or world?
we already did world and US history. World is freshman.
Oh, they moved it around, okay, so, economics.
Is there only one economics teacher per
What's
school?
the base?
I don't know that. I don't know all that stuff.
Yeah, I get it.
Okay, let's look, are you ready? Okay, here we go. Have an answer down, some kind of answer somewhere on your desk. Put an answer down, I don't care if it's right, remember? Have an answer. Okay, here we go, I'm showing you the answer right here. 3619. I had several of you get this. I know there was at least, let's see, you got it,
I got it really close.
you got
I
it,
got it too.
you
I
got
did
it.
right.
Wait,
You guys are trying to gaslight me.
wait, where's their answer?
Right here.
Oh, that's pi.
It's in terms of pi. Left
Well,
in terms
okay,
of pi.
look, this is pi, you're right,
Yeah.
Yeah.
either one, right, so that's okay.
Eat it.
Does it say to do both? Yeah, I had all that. When you come to the test, make sure you do what it says, okay? Got it.
Gaslight me over here.
Okay, so this table got it.
Goodness gracious.
You got it, I know. I don't know that you were there yet, but you might have. Did you?
Your shoes are my
Okay.
Your
You
shoes are.
didn't, right?
They're double models.
Something happened here.
Ew.
Okay.
Smelling my.
How about you guys over here? You get it?
That was good.
Smelling
You know what?
I was confused.
All right, keep working, but I'm gonna go to the next one. There's 10 of them. 10 questions.
Good.
Nobody's ever gotten through 10. Let's see if you guys can be the ones.
Okay, this
Okay, here we go.
Socks,
I made a mistake coming up, so I want you to find my
I've
mistake.
not seen him wearing his Grinch pants.
So trust your answer, because I think I made a mistake.
No. What's your best?
for real. I
No.
was so angry.
Did I'm too famous for you.
Oh, are we
Only
recording?
positive.
Yeah.
No.
New problem.
Yeah. Only positive.
How would you make a mistake?
At least I didn't erase it. Okay. Take it seriously and try it, please.
Actually, Brian, waking up.
I want you to try this one, okay? I haven't updated, I put your score in there, but I didn't update it. It's not gonna show yet.
You trash. I need to have more followers.
Did I take roll?
Should have, it's not cute.
I don't add you.
Why do you do that? Oh, you should multiply it. You should multiply it by 6. Why are you playing
I don't know if I want to add you. Let me see your likes. You don't have any likes?
I'm ready actually does.
Why do you have it if you don't have any? Like, if you like
Wait, this is where I got that from.
Oh my
Yeah,
7 times 7 times 7. That's
oh,
like
it's crazy. Oh my
Way over here, here.
You guys are gonna follow me. That's what it is. It's not me and you, like.
One's not, but. What in the world?
Or what?
You really like that.
This is incorrect. This is not right.
This is my review.
That's not good.
That's like, I bought like 3.
feel like I've made a critical
Yes.
misstep.
How do you go to that?
Why is it?
Wait a minute.
You look at mine, look how I set it up, look how I set up mine. Yeah, I'm gonna set mine.
So we're,
If I still have it.
the formula's up there.
Well, it's a down is one app.
What did you get for
That's
the
that
one?
Crops out the background, so you can see the item.
Who else came in a little bit late, anybody?
Wait. Do you know? Cube
Alright.
What's the other
Okay, look, 14 is all the way across. You only want the 7, don't you? What formula do I use? Anybody?
Pi 7 squared?
Now wait,
Like kind of basically pi.
what object is this? Sphere. Where do I go? Right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, but wait, is that the right one or was it the other one underneath it?
We should go through
The volume, it's cube. Now, I can't, you guys, I need to tell you about the cube. If you don't, on your calculator, does everybody know how to find the cubic root? Because that's gonna be on there, you're gonna have to use it on your calculator. Yeah, if we could unfold this basketball, like just the skin, that would be the surface area. And then put it back together. It'd be weird. You ever see maps of the earth that are flat?
Yeah, like
They unfold them. Unfold the earth, yeah. Some kind of history class, you might do that.
I don't know if I can fit it.
Okay, anybody? You got it? Almost, right? Okay, anybody gonna get this?
I got a few answers.
Okay, isn't this one, here's the two formulas right here. This one's volume, surface area is here. You use this for volume. This one's volume. Isn't this pretty simple to do? You do these two formulas. Erase all this. Now, we're gonna step up and do a really hard one in a minute, so I want you to be able to do this one. This is the two formulas right here. They're on your white sheet too, don't worry. If you want to use them on the board during the test, I don't care about that. The way I taught it, you can do it that way. Or you can have this nice little cheat sheet. On this? Oh, yes. Forgot, I wasn't gonna, but now that you said, no.
Hold on.
Actually, probably not today, because I have, you know what, maybe I'll do this. Okay,
Please don't grab it.
maybe I'll do this.
I haven't got
If you've been participating,
I've been, sorry, sir.
yeah, what we'll do, I'll tell you what, a special deal today. Since we were working on
I
that,
would do it, but I don't get a better review.
write it on here,
I tried to do it there, but.
put your name on here, and from now on, the next 5, I will stamp it, and we'll just do it that way, I'll give you credit, all right?
Could have done it.
Now remember, if you get a stamp, you don't have to have it right, you just have to do it.
That's really like the
Because really, if you don't do math, because you're worried about being right, you just won't do enough to get better at it.
I think I gotta do this one.
Yeah.
You gotta, try it more.
It's right there.
Okay, so, by the way, a lot of you guys are taking Algebra 2 next year, I think. Pretty sure. Probably this entire back in Algebra 2, I hope. Some of you. There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Remember, I'm just gonna put a stamp on there, not you, in here, because you're done.
Yes.
And I'm not gonna
Yes,
take
we
yours
gave,
because
yes,
it
and
won't
we
matter,
gave
right?
the next
I'm
one.
going after today.
Right?
That's cool.
Okay.
Okay, so here, I get my stamp back out.
We all left at
Wherever it
the
is.
same time to get out, so even.
Here it is.
It's my, both my grandmas.
Okay,
I was just gonna say.
it's gonna be 7 cubed,
Oh.
isn't it?
What do you mean? That doesn't sound like an all.
Isn't it gonna be 7 cubed somewhere? What is 7 cubed anyway? 340.
I just, you meant that.
You meant this one too?
What?
I just erased myself.
Should I trust him or not?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Both of them?
No,
I
not
thought-
Alyssa. Don't trust
Not
me.
Alyssa.
Okay.
What?
Okay.
It's a democracy.
Yeah,
Okay, okay, there you go.
I thought you meant the next part. You taking a picture of me.
What do you think I
It's the John.
Okay, let's see what you got here.
She can't be trusted.
Read.
You know that you're
You got an answer.
I tried it again.
16.5?
There's a lag, you know.
Oh, wait, I think it's more than that.
You haven't caught up on me.
You guys, the volume's gonna be quite a bit. Look, this thing's big. 14 kilometers wide. I think that's more like it. I think that's more like it.
So should I square?
Cube it.
For that class.
Hey, don't you cube this one?
Yeah.
So isn't it gonna be a pretty big number then? So let's see. Although,
My.
no, don't forget it's 4/3 too.
But if she like.
Kind of a weird number.
If I check.
Okay, here we go. You ready? No
No
answers, so no credit. Oh,
That's what I
no
meant to
answer.
mention.
No answer?
Switch one minute. These.
No credit.
What about your answer right there?
I think
Okay, that's right.
I got the short end of the stick. I got Ben.
I got this right. But.
You got it.
Anybody get it?
Like, not kidding.
Yeah. It is.
You got it?
My great
Okay.
grandpa, my great great
You got
my
one,
grandpa.
one that got it is all?
Yeah,
You get it?
Yep.
No, I got 2, 3,
Actually,
you get it? Okay, 4. Okay, the reason I'm asking is I wanna know if some of you are getting it, because I'm not gonna go on if you're not. You got it too, that's another 5.
I did.
Only 2 people.
I called.
Okay, how can we do this? Let's try it.
Unless both of you guys sound the same thing. And he asked, and you said,
Okay, Zachary,
yo.
walk us through this. What do we got here? 4/3 times pi
7 cubed.
times 7 cubed, and that's it?
That's for the volume.
Yeah, it should be it.
And then the surface area.
Now, how do you cube on your calculator?
Multiply it by 3 times.
Yeah, you can do that. 7 times 7 times 7.
Why the heck would you do that?
Okay, now, I'm gonna give you one in a minute though, where it's gonna be hard to do that, but that's okay. Okay, so we're good? We're gonna go on. Let's go on to the hard ones.
It gets really messy really quick if you don't do it.
I'm gonna go on to the hard
I
ones.
wrote the numbers and he stamped them.
Okay, starting the hard
You're
ones.
gonna make me angry.
Wait, I still don't understand how they did that.
7 times
Don't
7
do it.
times 7
Yes, but then what?
That,
times
that's.
pi times 4 divided by 3.
Raised so much for like months and half times.
Look, we just used this formula.
Wait, what's the
4
answer?
times
Zachary?
pi
Or-
times 7 times 7 times 7.
Jace, what's the answer to that one? What was it?
Got
It's posted, you guys, it'll be posted too.
I'm gonna see now.
If the volume.
Hey, what'd you get?
1436.
Oh, I got that.
14.
Did you got it right?
That's the volume?
That's how you get the volume. Now, I didn't do the surface area, but don't you just use the other formula? Use the other formula, this one,
Oh, did you got it? What was it?
4 pi r squared, okay? Now,
That's
do you guys, are you ready? I'm gonna go on to the 2-part questions, which are kinda hard,
Yeah.
okay? Well, let's just see. Let's see how you do. This one, for some reason, math teachers love it. I'm gonna go on to this one.
Makes me bigger. Daniel's about to see the chance, I guess.
I'm gonna go. Let's go.
You never say like that though.
Okay, look.
Dude, it's a shit stain.
Right, chill.
Now look, it's a sphere, so what are we gonna do with the sphere?
Cube.
4/3 pi r cubed. The volume is this.
We understand this is the last one.
I wanna know the
You
radius,
do this first, I think.
so solve for radius. It's an algebra problem, isn't it? Did you do algebra problems like this? Maybe not.
Wait, can I see the?
Now, you might not have, this might be harder. Although- Wait, you haven't had algebra 2 yet. Yeah, this is harder than what you had before.
R cubed.
Algebra 2 is just more algebra,
Right?
basically.
Or is it multiple? Which one is it?
Okay, I don't want to say it too loud, because
Which one
you got
gets
some
rid
other
of
stuff in there too.
divide or
Oh,
multiply?
I
It's divided.
I did, well, I did,
Let's see here.
Yeah, 3/4 times 1, 2, 1.
I'm gonna have to rearrange the equation, so please write the whole equation down when I come around for the stamp. Write the entire equation. So what's it gonna be? 121.5 pi equals 4/3 pi r cubed. So that, notice the answer is given. I'm trying to solve in terms for r.
3 divided by 4 times
And r is cubed.
1, 2.
So I got a problem now that I have to figure out. Since it's cubed, I'm gonna have to find the cube root.
0.1.
What, so I have to do pi and cube?
I can 162.
Yeah, it's hard. It's hard. So let's see if we can do this. I think you can do it. I want you to try it.
Cube root.
So look, I'm gonna write it out. 121.5 pi. Throw the pi in there. Who cares if you got pi in there? You don't care. Equals 4/3
Wait, how do you cube root?
pi r cubed.
On the back is what, what's
People are messing them up. All of them?
Yeah.
Go up the front.
Let's go in the bushes, man.
Nah.
Wait, the
You
front.
want me to show you on this one? Not yet. No, not yet. No, I'm not giving up.
The whole thing's already?
Because I think you can do it. Hey, how do you find the cube root? I think so.
It could be either one.
Which is it?
I think it's the bottom one.
Okay.
The 4.5, I think.
I want people to work it out first.
Correctly.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'll cross that out.
Oh,
Well,
wait.
he's on his way.
No, I'm on my way to do it.
Okay, cross it out. You get it? Yeah, so you know how to do it. You know how to do cubes.
Cube root.
Totally, right? How come I don't have any checks on here for you?
Yep.
I just forgot? I think you got 3,
Okay.
right? You're not there yet, right? Okay, to do the cube root, you know how?
No, you just have to do 90.
So to do the cube root, guys,
One.
I'm gonna turn it on first, push 3, because I want the cube root. Second, top hat,
You're supposed to do all
what do I wanna find? Like, if it's 27, for instance, I'll do that. So that means the cube root of 27 is 3 times, is 3. That means 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. Well, not this one. What is the problem here? You can type it in. I'll let you. You do the cube root. So go cube. Second,
that. Did I get it right?
top half. Then you type in the rest and say equals. I'm gonna let you. Okay.
I'll pay you a tenner.
I don't know if
for response to
How come it says 81 over there?
Because I divided this by 2.
Don't we just do it? Isn't it like?
Is this the diameter or radius?
Ah, good question. It's gonna be radius.
Okay,
So look, your answer is gonna be 121 pi. Sorry, is it 121.5?
Oh, it is.
Is it 0.5? Pi is gonna equal 4/3 what? Pi r cubed. Now, somehow I gotta get rid of all this stuff here and divide by both sides. And that's gonna give me r cubed. And once I do that, cube root.
We can start on your
Now you could do this if you want. And that would cancel. Now I've got that. Actually, 4 is not.
Like, I don't even have pi people.
What am I dividing by? Pi?
Same.
What?
Which cancels. 3 times 121/4, I think is gonna be r cubed. Check that.
The rest of it is the same box.
What'd you get? Over here, is it 3 times 121/4?
Yeah, but for a year.
Yep.
It has the same.
But not most of the time.
Did you highlight it first?
Hold on, I go for speed.
Cool. Okay, I got another one.
Not much.
Several of you got it.
You right there, like, I pulled it back.
Yeah.
That's one way to read that.
You do, you subtract
No
1/3
gravity.
y.
Now, if you don't do that, it wouldn't be
This
that.
one has y in
I would, if you're gonna multiply, do 3/4 and 3/4. Right, reciprocal. Present.
That's what it is.
And then you
What'd
get
you
91.4. And then you have to do
Okay, all of you, do you agree?
the, cancel it out.
What'd you get?
And you get 4.
Got 3? Alright, here we go, let's try it. Ready? 4.5. A lot of you got it. Check, oh yeah, check, here we go.
I'm not mad. You never gave me a stamp.
I'm giving them to you right now, sorry.
Sorry.
Me too. Here we go. You guys like the stamps more than the grades.
I really, if you could start doing that.
Okay, I'm giving you the same as him. You have an answer, remember, it was about just getting an answer.
What I did was reverse that problem.
I'm behind over here, I think I'm gonna give 2.
Call me Daniel's mouth.
Yeah! You got the right answer.
Like,